Akshay, did you always knew what you wanted to do when you passed out from MBA?
I was all over the place. Saurabh, what about you?
यार मेरे को तो तब भी आइडिया नहीं था, आज भी आइडिया नहीं है.
Confused about your career choices? Wondering what steps to take next? In this podcast called Beyond Campus, Saurabh Garg, founder of C4E, and Akshay Dutt, founder of Unnati, are on a mission to crack open the career success code for the youth. वो बचपन में कहते थे ना, तुम जो चाहे बन सकते हो. So, let's turn the dream into reality.
My name is Rajiv Karwal and I am the chairman of Milagro Robots.
Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, has always been a point of fascination for most of the tech heads out there. With an advancement of science and technology, the era of robots is coming closer and closer to human beings and becoming a part of our lifestyle. Having mentioned that, it goes without saying that businessmen who have built a brand out of robots are surely nothing less than a superstar. Rajiv Karwal, an alumni of IMT Ghaziabad, began his entrepreneurial journey as a sales head with Oneida Electronics. After working closely with several high-end companies, Rajiv found Milagro Business and Knowledge Solutions in 2007, and rest is history. Boys and girls, tune in for this conversation between Akshay Dutt and Rajiv Karwal, for it's surely something you don't want to miss.
There was this movie, Rafu Chakkar, of Rishi Kapoor and Neetu Singh, and in that, one of the scenes I don't even remember now, is that these two are looking at a hoarding, and something they are discussing about the hoarding. This advertisement is good or bad, something like that, and that stood out in my memory, and I said, no, मेरे को ना ये advertising marketing का ही करना है, and that is how I decided MBA, and I decided that I want to do marketing and sales. So that movie, one scene impacted me, that I want to build my career in the marketing field.
So, what was your graduation degree then?
It was BSc, and it was in bio, and that was also because after I did my the 12th, actually 10 at that time the syllabus was 8 plus 3 plus 4, right? And then ours was the first batch which came to 10 plus 2 plus 3
Okay.
system.
Okay.
No, 10 plus 2 plus 2. Sorry, 10 plus 2 plus 2. And so we gained 1 year. And then immediately after that, it went to 10 plus 2 plus 3. So at that time, I kind of, wasn't very clear. And BSc was available. So I said, okay, let's do BSc. Mom also is saying MBBS. So we'll see. And but the idea was to gain 1 year and immediately get into the college and not go into the MBBS or engineering, which at that point in time were 4 years or 5 years. So that was the only choice. So I said, okay, let's gain 1 year, and that is why I got 10 plus 2 plus 2, and then another 2 years for MBA.
So you did this while staying at home, or were you in hostel?
No, I was in the GMN college in Ambala. My father at that time was posted in Ambala. So my graduation was done from GMN college.
Okay. What was that college experience like?
College experience was quite good. I kind of studied hard, played hard. I was the hockey captain of my, college team. I used to play very good cricket also. I kind of developed my personality. I was Mr. GMN in 1982. So kind of enjoyed. And after that, I gave MBA examinations and I had cleared most of the MBA examinations. And then I was, going to collect my character certificate, one day before the interview.
Wait, did you want to hear more? Then just visit podm.in/bc on your mobile browser to listen to full episodes of this show.